recording. Yay. Okay. I got this.
Tonight, Sisters returns.
Where is she?
And you haven't seen anything yet.
This is my wife.
You said wife.
I'll make sure you are the one they go looking for next.
Tyler Perry Sisters returns tonight at 9. Watch it live on BET.
What a freak. Early each day to the steps of St. Paul's, a little old bird woman comes. In her own special way, to the people she calls. Come by my bags full of crumbs. Come feed the little bird, show them you care. And I'll be glad if you do. The young ones are hungry, the nests are so bare. All it takes is tuppence from you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Feed the birds, that's why she cries. While overhead her birds fill the skies. All around the cathedral the saints and apostles look down as she sells her wares. Although you can't see it, you know they are smiling. Each time someone shows that he cares. Though her words are simple and few, listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Oh, her words are simple and few. Listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a like